I put a fork in my door and look what happened. The locksmiths don't want you to know that. If at some point the lock on your door is faulty and the door isn't closing, it's late and you can't call a locksmith or you don't want to spend the money, then don't worry, because today I'm going to show you a very simple solution. It's an emergency alternative for those days when you need to lock your door. It's an easy, quick and cheap trick, and you can do it yourself. And all you need is a fork, is that right? It may sound strange, but believe me, it can save you. The first thing we're going to do is take a fork and put in this part. Now, with the help of a pen, make a mark here. It's very important to make this mark. Next, with the help of the pliers, we're going to bend this part of the fork upwards and bend it well. Where we made the marking will look like this. Now let's make another marking on that part. Next, place the fork on a flat surface and with the help of the pliers, move it up and down, right where the marking is. Do this until the fork breaks. And it's going to stay that way and it's done. Our tip for use is very simple. Just place this part of the fork at the entrance to the lock. Then close the door and secure it by slipping the other part inside the fork. And you'll have an excellent homemade lock, very sturdy and secure. It can only be opened from the inside, so I'm sure that with this tip your sleep will be much more restful. No one will be able to get into your house, and as I said, this is a great alternative for any emergency. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye and see you in the next video.